Developments in a violent witness intimidation trial. The suspect is accused of viciously beating a woman who was supposed to testify against her brother. Eyewitness News reporter Nicole Estefan has more on her sentencing live in our newsroom.
Well, Susan, 26-year-old Damaris Gonzalez sentenced to 5 years in this brutal beating, but the prosecution had asked for much more, close to 20 years, saying that witness intimidation cannot be tolerated.
No less than 4 years, no more than 5 years in state prison.
26-year-old Damaris Gonzalez showed no emotion as the judge handed down a 5-year prison sentence. Gonzalez was convicted in the brutal beating of a woman who testified in her brother's trial. The prosecution was asking for 18 to 20 years.
I'm disappointed that the sentence was not higher, but at least she received a state prison sentence.
The district attorney argued at the sentencing that Gonzalez represents a culture that sets up roadblocks for justice.
Pervasive and insidious, no snitching, snitches get stitches culture, and that's why we recommended the maximum sentence here, because something has to be done about that.
The victim, Janie D'Souza, returned to the area to find work. That's when she was attacked. Her beating, one reason prosecutors have trouble getting key witnesses to take the stand.
This is a protected witness who was the victim of an attack instigated by the defendant.
Bristol County has used the witness protection program more than all but one other county in the state. In the past few years, 100 witnesses in 75 cases have testified under the program. What kind of message does the lighter sentence send to folks that may be, witnesses in crimes similar to this?
I wanted a stronger message sent. I think a state prison sentence for 4 to 5 years is not enough. I profoundly disagree with.
The victim in this case, Janie D'Souza, has physically recovered from all of her injuries. She did not appear in court today. Live in the newsroom, Nicole Estefan, Eyewitness News.